शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। कल पे सवाल है, जीना फिलहाल है, खाना बेदोशियों पे ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए।
Okay, guys, good evening, virtual villains. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
A lot.
A lot.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I'm
this
excited.
Yeah.
Completely excited.
okay, great. So this is Divyangi as your host. Welcome to the Virtual Villa Season 1, powered by Vishalakshi Foundation, co-powered by Jewel Bling, outreach partner Delhi University Club, education partner DU Tak, NGO partner Ashray Foundation, media partners DU Unify, Blue Leaves Community, Insight Tone, and Kayam Times. The mesmerizing voice जिसने हमारे शो को 4 चांद लगा दिए, वो थी विश्वजीत सिंह की. विश्वजीत,
Hello guys.
Hello.
First of all, congratulations.
Hello. Hello.
thank you.
Thanks a lot.
आप सब
Thank
यहाँ
you.
पहुँचे and I just hope कि इसके आगे you guys have a very amazing session and all the best to you guys. And I'm
Thank
Vishwajit
Thank
Singh.
you.
I'm a singer-songwriter from Delhi NCR.
Thank you.
And today I'll be performing here. I hope you guys like it.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
guys, we'll start with Vishwajit's another melodious performance. And इसका हम काफी टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे, बहुत सब लोग एक्साइटेड थे. So let's begin.
हाँ तुम हो ना तुम हो खामोशी मेरी, चाहे बोलो या ना बोलो, तुम तो रहोगी मेरी, तुम तो रहोगी मेरी, तुम हो तो मैं हूँ ना, रहनी जरूरत तेरी, चाहे बोलो या ना बोलो, तुम तो रहोगी मेरी, तुम तो रहोगी मेरी, तुम तो रहोगी, तुम तो रहोगी मेरी। मीठी लगी चक्के देखी अभी, मिश्री की डली जिंदगी हो चली, जहाँ है तेरी बाहें मेरा साहिल वही, तू बिन बताए मुझे ले चल कहीं, तुम हो। तुम हो पास मेरे, साथ मेरे हो तुम, जितना महसूस करूं तुमको उतना ही पावी हूँ। कहीं से कहीं को भी आओ बेवजह चले, पूछे बिना किसी से हम मिले, बंदिशें ना रही तो ये बाकी, तुम हो मेरे लिए हो तुम, खुद को मैं हार गया, तुमको मैं जीता हूँ।
Okay, Vishwa, what a performance, what a
Thank you so
performance.
much.
आई एम श्योर अगर ये ऑफलाइन में होता और सब लोगों की ये मजबूरी नहीं होती कि वो म्यूट रहे तो दे वुड ऑल बी चीयरिंग फॉर यू. सो गाइस, क्विकली
Yes.
जस्ट गिव हिम अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज, अनम्यूट योरसेल्व्स क्विकली.
Very nice, very nice, very nice.
It feels like an
Thank you
acting
so much.
Amazing.
Thank you so much, guys.
That's amazing.
It was amazing.
Okay, but guys, unfortunately, it's time to bid Vishwa goodbye from the villa now. Thank you so much, Vishwa, for joining us.
Thank you for having me. All the best to you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye,
Yeah,
bye,
take care.
Thank you.
bye.
Okay, guys, so now we will start with the task. So, task में, for the starters, we will present each one of your photos. और आपकी photos पे वो line होगी which you think describes you best. तो आपको क्या करना है, जब वो screen present हो रही होगी और जब लोगों की photos and उनकी वो line चल रही होगी, आपको दो लोगों का नाम which you think can be your partners for the season and which you think you can bond with. दो लोगों का नाम सोच के रखना है अपने मन में, बट बताना नहीं है. After the presentation is over, we will ask you guys to name those two people one by one. मैं आपके names call करूंगी and you will reply with the two names. So you should be ready with the two names after presentation ends. Okay? Can we have the presentation, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So first we have Parv Jain. When Parv Jain is asked to describe himself, he says, Namaste, my name is Parv Jain and I'm 19 years old. Currently, I'm doing my graduation in English Honours from Swami Shraddhanand College, University of Delhi. I'm a fun-loving, currently living person, but due to this, sometimes I have to face some problems. My hobbies include dancing, designing, painting, and I am very much passionate about dance. I mean, I can dance anywhere, anytime. Sometimes I start dancing at 2 a.m. also. I also sing, but only as a bathroom singer. I also work for breaking stereotypes through many ways for the better and upliftment of the society.
Yeah.
And next we have Manas Bardia. He says, I'm weird. Weird is good because normal is overrated. Okay, next. Then we have Vansh Tuteja. He says, हर कुछ ट्राई करके देख लेता हूँ, सिर्फ ये सोचकर कि कहीं कोई ये ना कह दे हम तो वंश को जानते ही नहीं है. So this is Vansh. Then we have Himanshu. Himanshu says life is never stable. So true. It comes with failures and victories. But I'm such a unique person that I usually laugh on myself whenever I'm getting failed. I don't know why, but I'm not shy to laugh on myself, and I think that makes me quite funny. Even my peers say the same. Okay, next we have Ayan. He says, "Here I am, the peanut butter you've longed for." I guess Ayan loves peanut butter so much. Then we have Aryan. He says, "Look at my face. What's funniest than that?" Okay, next we have Priyanshu Pandey. He says, "Don't underestimate the power of short height man." Okay, Priyanshu. Then we have Lisa Rajput. Haha, fun. I'm working as a content creator and I'm making funny memes, reels, carousel posts for Instagram. Page with followers around 33k. I can add fun element to conversations. I am dancer. I have basic knowledge of guitar, and yes, I'm a blogger too. I am a very sweet and kind-hearted person, but when it comes to rivalry, don't expect me to stay back. Oh my god. Okay, next we have Chaitanya Arora. She says she loves to annoy people. Let's see how much she annoys you guys in the show. Next, we have Lavanya. Lavanya says, "Hey, I'm Lavanya. When I'm asked to describe myself, I forget who I am." Oh my god. Okay, next, we have Avika. Avika says, "Hi, I'm Avika. I have 2 eyes, 1 nose, 2 ears." Oh my god, Avika, same. Which never listen, and 1 mouth which blabbers a lot. And I am a bahar latke hain personality. Okay. Hangout person. And when I go out looking like a crap, I throw on a pair of tennis shoes, hoping that everyone thinks I'm working out. Oh my god. Also, I'm that person. Oh, who sent these chocolates to me? Obviously me. I've sent the chocolates for myself type of a girl. And I'm not a chick. Come on. Chicks are a baby of hen. I'm the jack of all trades. ऊपर से नहीं, नीचे से. Okay. Next is Irina. Irina says, "Surround yourself with food, not negativity." I agree in this with you, Irina. Okay, next we have Surbhi. Surbhi says she's a chubby packet of exposures. Oh my god. Okay. Then we have Janvi. Janvi says craziest poor joke person. Let's see. I think Janvi is quite interesting. We'll see in the show. Okay, so we are done with the first part of the task. Now I would call your names one by one, and you will tell me who are the people that you chose that you think can be your partners. Okay, so let's start with Lavanya.
I will go with Manas and Aryan Soni.
Manas and Aryan Soni. Okay. Okay, then we have Ayan.
Yeah, so I would like to go with Himanshu and Lisa.
Himanshu and Lisa. Okay, great. Then next we have Avika.
Lisa and Janvi.
Lisa and Janvi. Okay. Then Manas.
Lavanya and Surbhi.
Lavanya and Surbhi. Okay, very nice. Then we have Surbhi.
Parv and Himanshu.
Parv and Himanshu. Okay, great. Then we have Priyanshu.
Aryan and Surbhi.
Okay, Priyanshu. Then we have Janvi.
Manas. Yeah.
Avika and Manas. Okay, great. Then we have Aryan.
Vansh and Avika.
Vansh and Avika. Okay, very nice. Then Lisa.
I would like to go for Parv and Avika.
Parv and Avika. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Then after Lisa, we have Arina.
I would like to go with Parv and second will be Manas.
Parv and Manas. Okay, very nice. Then we have Himanshu. Himanshu?
Uh.
Yeah, tell me.
Ayan and Surbhi.
Ayan and Surbhi. Okay, great. Then we have Vansh,
Aryan and
Yeah.
Chaitanya.
Aryan and Chaitanya. Okay. Then we have Chaitanya,
Aryan and Lisa.
Aryan and Lisa. Okay. Then Parth,
I would like to. Yeah, I would like to go with Himanshu Rawat and Arun.
Himanshu and Arina.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So the first part of this task is over now. In the second part, we will ask you 3 questions, okay? And उन 3 questions के आपको 1 by 1 आंसर करने हैं. सबके लिए क्वेश्चन सेम होंगे, okay? तो म्यूजिकल चेयर तो सबने खेला होगा. आई गेस बहुत ही कॉमन सा गेम है, सबको आता होगा. कभी किसी ने ऑनलाइन म्यूजिकल चेयर खेला है?
Yeah, I have played.
Never.
Never.
No, never tried.
Okay, so today we will
even
play
thought of this.
musical chair online. Okay, so can we have the presentation again? Okay, till they are presenting, I'll tell you your questions. Are you an old school lover? Yes or no? Only one word answer. The second question is, if you are given a chance to become anyone in the world for a day, who would it be and why? Your third question is, who do you think can win the show if not you? Okay? I think you got all your questions. तो अब देखते हैं किसकी बातों से कौन इम्प्रेस होता है.
की घोल के नी लाके तिन पैग बल्लिए बंदे पंगड़े गदी दी डिग्गी घोल.
किस पे रुका है? अयान पे.
Ayan.
Okay, Ayan, you're the first one who have to answer.
The first question was, do I like old school or not? So yeah, I do love old school, and the participant I think can win this show. I have to choose one. So that is Himanshu Rawat. In the world, I want to be Safin Hussain. He's an IPS officer, and he became IPS officer in the age of 21. And I really love IAS and IPS, and like I also dream for that job, and I really want to look forward to it. Like I also want to give UPSC for that. That's why I just want to
Great,
experience it.
Ayan.
तू मेरा भाई यार तेरे.
Okay, we have stopped on Priyanshu.
Am I old school lover or not? So
Yeah.
yes, definitely. And the second question was, if I'll get a chance to become any person, I'll choose mother, because हम अक्सर हमेशा अपनी मम्मियों को हार्ड वर्क करते तो देखते हैं, बट जब वो हम पर आएगा तो क्या हम वो चीज़ कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. So I really want to, if I'll get a chance, I will play that role definitely. And third question, if I'll not win, so who will win? For me, it's Shurbi.
Surbhi will win. Okay, great. Okay, let's start the music again.
कुछ पागलपन है तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है. कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा.
Okay, we've stopped on Avika.
Avika.
Okay, Avika. Answer the question, please. This question was, are you an old school lover? Yes or no?
Definitely.
You are. Okay. And if you are given a chance to become anyone in the world for a day, who would it be? And
Ambani's daughter.
Ambani's daughter? You don't want to be Ambani? So you don't want to be Ambani?
नहीं अंबानीज डॉटर ना बाद में आराम से अपना जॉब करूंगी.
Okay.
पहले स्टार्टिंग में सब मजे ले लूंगी.
Question is, who do you think can win the show if not you?
आर्यन.
Aryan. Okay, great. Okay, let's start the music again.
हिलाते चलती टुक टुक तू करती मेकअप तू कर दिया.
Okay, and we stop on Himanshu.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So as per to the first question, I would say yes. I am a big high school lover, old school lover.
Okay.
As per to the second question, if I have to answer, so I will say that for a day, if I have to become, so I will love to become a girl, So I would like to feel that pain and that insecurity and that kind of stereotype that a particular girl faces in the society. Because I do believe Ayan can win this show. So I think Ayan is one person who is having beatboxing talent. No one can do that rather than him. So I do believe that he can win that because he is a unique person in this villa.
Okay, very nice. Okay, then let's start the game.
ਲੈਪਟਾਪ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੱਢ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
Okay, so it has stopped on Lavanya. Lavanya, your turn.
Yeah, so first was that am I a old school lover? Yeah, definitely I am an old school lover. Second was कि if मुझे किसी का कुछ बनने का chance मिलता like someone else, so I would be Chandler Bing because could I be any more funny? Like that would be the best thing to do, like making other people laugh. And third was that who I see मेरे अलावा जीतते हुए, that would be Surbhi. I would go with Surbhi.
Okay, let's start the game.
ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਵਿਆਹੁਣੀਆਂ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਵਿਆਹੁਣੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਵਿਆਹੁਣੀਆਂ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਵਿਆਹੁਣੀਆਂ
Okay, we have Aryan. Guys, is anybody else like me कि गाना सुनते ही डांस निकल आता है? Because I तो love dance. गाना सुनते ही I start to dance.
पंजाबी song तो होना ही है.
Any song. Okay, great. Aryan, can you answer your question?
Yes. First question was, am I old school lover? Yes. Yes. The second was, who would I like to be? मतलब एज ए पर्सन बताऊं तो डैन बिल्ज़ेराइन, और ऐसे बताऊं तो आई वुड लाइक टू बी मतलब जो किसी का ऐसे दिमाग वगैरह पढ़ सके.
Okay, you want to read people's mind.
Yes.
अरे वाह. Yeah. Okay, then who do you think can win the show?
मेरे अलावा आई थिंक वंश
Vansh
कैन विन दिस.
Okay.
Yes, वंश टू टेजा.
Okay, let's start again.
And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on.
Up on Surbhi. Yeah, Surbhi.
Definitely an old school lover. And in person, if I want to be, तो वो होंगे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, because इतनी abilities और इतनी capabilities होने के बाद भी he was not getting that platform जो वो deserve करते थे, but still he continued with the same passion. So I really want to be like him. And मेरे अलावा if कोई जीत सकता है तो I guess yeah, Ayan, because of his creativity, I believe.
ਭਾਬੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੇੜਦੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਲੇ ਹਟਦੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਉਹ ਵਿੰਡੋ ਆ ਬਲੈਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਤੇ ਕਰੈਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ ਬੇਲੀ ਅੱਤ ਦੇ
Okay, we have stopped on Janvi. Okay, Janvi.
Okay, so definitely I'm an old school lover, and if I want to become like for one day, like I really want to be like my dad, because every time he says like कि yes मतलब तुम्हें समझ नहीं आता है कि how much struggle we have, and also I want to at least like be a dad struggle. I want to choose कि who can win. अगर मैं नहीं, then I think Aryan can win.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੇੜਦੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਲੇ ਹਟਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਕੇ 47 ਮੈਂ ਟਿੱਕੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਲੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਲੀ ਸੀਟ ਗਰਨੇਡ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਬ੍ਰੈਡ ਹਾਏ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨੇ ਪਸੰਦ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਕਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ
Okay, we have Parv. I was waiting for Parv itne time se. Finally, start game. Okay. Okay, Parv.
Devyangi was waiting for so long.
Yeah. Okay, Parv.
So the first question was, am I old? So yeah, I'm a huge sports lover. The question was if I could get a chance to be somebody. So I would like to be Mr. Hemant Oberoi, the head chef of Taj Hotel Palace, Mumbai. Because the reason is the way he sees more than 20 people with that fearlessness in the 26th Olympics, which inspired me a lot. It was, and the third question. So if I not, then I think Himanshu Rawat can win the show.
Okay. Himanshu has so many votes, I guess. So many people said Himanshu could win. Okay, let's start.
ਹਰਾ ਸੂਟ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਏ ਮੋਹਨੀ ਸੂਟ ਰੈੱਡ ਚ ਜਨਾਬ ਜਮਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਫਿਰਨੀ ਦੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਤੁਰਦੀ ਏ ਤੋਰਨੀ ਉਂਝ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਥੇਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਹੈਂਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਸਟੈਂਗ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਛੱਡ ਤੂੰ ਸਨੈਪਚੈਟ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਦੱਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਜੇ
Stopped on Lisa. Lisa?
Yes.
Where are you?
Am I
Lisa?
audible?
Yeah.
Here I am.
Hi, Lisa. Okay. Answer your question, please.
Okay, so for the first question, I would say neither yes nor no, because I am partial for both. I like old things, I like new things. It's 50-50 situation for me.
Okay,
And,
first answer which is not definitely yes. Everyone was like yes, we are all old school lovers. I thought
Yeah.
everyone here is old school lover. Okay.
But next, I would like to become a boy because everybody around us is like feminist. सब लोग feminist बन के घूम रहे हैं, even when they are not. And everyone is fighting for girls, girl child, girl power, empower girls. But nobody, even I saw very few people who are fighting for boys. So I would like to become a boy and see what problems they face.
Yes.
And
so everybody faces problems.
Yeah. And for the third question, maybe Himanshu can win because according to the judgment criteria, we need a personality and a good mindset. So I guess he had both.
So you don't have those.
Of course I am, but I can't choose myself.
Okay, great. Okay, Lisa. So let's start with that.
ਤਿਆਰ ਨੀ ਮਰਜੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਲਿਸਟਡ ਕਾਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੰਡਰਗਰਾਉਂਡ ਬੰਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਤੱਕ ਮਾਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਰਾਜੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਦਾ ਡਾਲਰਾਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਨੀ
Okay, so we have stopped on Aryan, which
Yeah, so the answer to the first one is like I'm proudly a old school lover.
Okay.
And for the second thing, the second answer would be I want to be Prince Narula for one day. Like I really admire him. I'm a very big fan of Prince Narula, and I can really relate to him in many instances, his life journey and what he wants to do. Like he has won so many shows, so all the zeal inside him, I have all the fire, like what he has inside him. And for the third, I think Aryan can win the show. He is my competition.
okay. Even I am a fan of Prince. Okay, let's start.
ਕੀ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਨੀ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਤਿੰਨ ਪੈਗ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਪੰਗੜੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੀ ਡਿੱਗੀ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਸੀਟ ਥੱਲੇ ਨੱਚਦੀਆਂ ਬੋਤਲਾਂ ਚਾਰ ਰੱਖੀ ਦੇ ਗਲਾਸ
Okay, we stopped on Chaitanya. Okay, Chaitanya.
Yeah, I'm an old school lover.
Okay.
And I want to be a princess for a one day.
You want to be a princess? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and who do you think can win the show? If not you?
Himanshu.
Himanshu? Okay, very nice. Chaitanya बहुत sweet सी है ना? मैं भी तो हूँ.
Only
Okay, Avika भी
from
cute
face.
है. Avika भी बहुत
Don't go on my face.
Okay, we should not go on Chaitanya's face. Let's see Chaitanya show में क्या करती है. बच के रहना सब लोग.
Yeah. Sweet people are more dangerous.
Oh yes. They can trick people into their sweetness.
Yeah. I'm so expert in that.
Okay. So let's start again.
मेरा भाई नहीं है तू मेरा भाई नहीं है यार तेरे जैसा है कहाँ तू जहाँ यार मैं वहाँ फाइट भी है
Okay, we stopped in Arena.
Hi, Dee. How are you?
Hi, Arena. I'm fine, thank you.
So the first question, I'm definitely a old school lover, like both hands up. And the second question was who I would want to be. So I would like love to be an astronaut because I have like n number of questions in my head. What's there above, like a lot. So even when I go on the terrace, I keep looking up, like okay, like what's there, okay. So like for at least 1 day, I have to feel, क्या है ऊपर, कहाँ कुछ I should feel. And the third question was, other than me, who can win? I guess I don't know why, but I have this positive vibe for this poor Jan. He can win.
Okay, very nice. So I think we are left with Vansh only, right? So Vansh, can you answer your question?
तो ओल्ड स्कूल लवर्स, हाँ, अगर वो पुरानी जो है कुछ होता है में जैसे मिस ब्रिगेंजा वगैरह उस टाइप के स्कूल्स है तो हाँ. अदरवाइज हमारे जो एक्चुअल में ओल्ड स्कूल्स थे जिसमें छड़ी से मारते थे, नहीं प्लीज मुझे नहीं खाना. ठीक है. ओके, who would I like to be? अभिषेक बच्चन.
अभिषेक बच्चन भाई?
पहला, हाँ बता रहा हूँ ना.
ओके.
पहला रीजन, he is married to the Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
So he doesn't want to be Aishwarya. He wants to be Abhishek.
I want to feel like how कितने पास से बैठे हैं मेरे. Second, मतलब अगर आप कह रहे हैं ना ऐश्वर्या राय, तो मैं सुष्मिता सेन बनना ज्यादा पसंद करूंगा. I admire her more, but I would like to be Abhishek Bachchan. हाँ, because उसके बाद second, he is the son of Amitabh Bachchan. और other than me, who can win? I suppose there are two persons, one in boy and one in girl, Lavanya and Aryan. और ये शायद मैं वीडियोस देखकर ही मैंने बता दिया था. I think I had chat with Aryan. तो उसने बताया था कि I just feel कि ये दोनों ज्यादा अच्छे, मतलब बिल्कुल क्रिएटिव लगा क्योंकि आर्यन इज पॉजिटिव.
पहली प्रायोरिटी
उसने सब खुद ना. हाँ, पहली प्रायोरिटी इज ऑब्वियसली मी.
ओके.
लाइक आर्यन की ये लाइन थी कि सड़ू लोग मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, तो अच्छी बात है नहीं पसंद, तो ही इज लाइक पॉजिटिव. एंड लावण्या क्योंकि वो एक्टिंग की ना 9 10 11 12 भाड़ में के साथ मैं कैसे, तो आई वाज लाइक वाओ, ये अच्छा है बिल्कुल लाइक बिंदास. तो दोनों बिंदास पर्सनालिटीज आई थिंक.
चलो, वेरी नाइस. ओके, तो आई थिंक वी आर डन विद द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द टास्क. अब जो आपने पहले 2 लोग चूज किए थे, ओके, उनमें से अब आपको एक इंसान चूज करना है. उन दोनों में से अब आपको एक चूज करना है जो यू थिंक कैन बी योर पार्टनर. ओके, लीजा, we'll begin with you.
I chose Parv and Avika. I match with both of their personality because I talked to Avika and she's very similar to me, and Parv, according to her that paragraph, he's also similar to me, but I guess Avika, I will choose her.
Okay, you will choose Avika. Okay, next we have Vansh.
Okay, so I had Aryan and Chaitanya, so I would go with Aryan.
Okay, you would go with Aryan. Okay, then we have Arena.
Okay, so I chose Parv and Manas. So I guess Parv would, match with me perfect.
Okay, sweet. Taranshu, do you want to choose someone? Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, then we have Himanshu.
I chose Ayan and Surabhi. So if I have to choose one, so I will go with Ayan. because I'm a man of my words, and I have said this before also that I would love to learn beatboxing from him. I have said him also this thing, so I would love to go with Ayan.
So you think you can spend your time in the season learning beatboxing? So it will be a, you know, एक तीर से दो निशाने for you.
Yeah, like I want to
Boxing आ जाएगी.
creativity also.
Okay, very nice. Then Aryan.
I'll go with Vansh.
We'll go with Vansh. Okay, very nice.
मेरी वैसे रणविजय सिंह और प्रिंस नरूला वाली बॉन्डिंग टाइप लगती है मेरे को इससे।
अरे वाह. Okay, then
बड़े
we
भैया।
have Janvi.
Okay, I'd like to go with like, can we take name choice or these are decided? Like I chose Avika and Manas. So
No, you
Avika
can
is always
choose somebody else. And this is not the case, you know, कि अगर किसी और ने अविका को choose कर लिया है तो you cannot choose.
Okay,
right? You can
okay.
choose.
So like, yeah, I can go with Manas.
Manas. Okay. Okay, then Par.
I would like to go with Arina.
Okay, you'd like to go with Arina. Then okay, Avika, what about you?
मैं लास्ट में गई बट याद आ गई लास्ट में गई याद आ गई
नहीं लास्ट में नहीं अभी आई गेस पीपल आर लेफ्ट या नो
Yeah, I still am.
भाई मैं अच्छा ओके हाई फाइव
हाँ मैं भी हूँ मैं भी हूँ
Yeah, there are people left. Okay, Avika, tell us please.
लीजा
Lisa, you would like
obviously थोड़ी sisterly bonding है
Okay, great. What about you, Siddhi?
हिमांशु
Himanshu, okay. Chaitanya? Here is Chaitanya. Okay, here is
Aryan.
Okay, Chaitanya. Okay, then we have Priyanshu.
Surbhi.
Surbhi, you would like to choose. Okay, very nice. Then Ayan.
Yeah, so पहले मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने जो दो लोगों को चूज किया था why I chose them because सबसे पहली बात है कि मैंने जब हिमांशु के बारे में पढ़ा ही इज अ कम्प्लीटली काइंड ऑफ अ पॉजिटिव पर्सन एंड जैसे आपने पहले पूछा था कि किसी के साथ झगड़ा हुआ कि नहीं तो मेरा ये मानना है कि मैं इस सीजन में किसी के साथ झगड़ा नहीं करूँगा आई विल हैव अ गुड बॉन्डिंग विद एवरीवन ताकि मतलब समझ लीजिए आज मेरे साथ किसी का झगड़ा हो गया एंड ही हैज द पावर टू नॉमिनेट मी फॉर एनीथिंग तो वो शायद मेरा हेल्प कर दे
Ayan, do you know that you are revealing your strategy right now? You're revealing your strategy.
Thank you, Ayan. Thank you, Ayan.
and I prefer in one I believe in one thing that is दुनिया प्यार से जीती जाती है जंग से नहीं so there is a thing and I would prefer to go with हिमांशु only हम लोग की कभी पहले बात नहीं हुई but still हम लोग का मतलब I don't know अभी कैसा हम लोग का बॉन्डिंग बन रहा है धीरे-धीरे so that's what I'm liking yeah so हिमांशु
Very nice. Okay, next Lavanya.
I would go with Manas.
Go with Manas. Then Manas.
Yeah, so I also go to Lavanya. Rock कर देंगे.
Okay, I think we have a pair अब. Okay, is anybody else left? I lost the count. Okay, then Paranshu is left. Paranshu, किसको choose करना है तुम्हें बताओ?
मैं हिमांशु और मानस में हूँ
Choose me.
हाँ चल दिव्यांग और मैं हम दोनों
Okay, we'll be playing against you और क्योंकि हमें सारे टास्क और सब कुछ पता है तो I think हमारे पैसे हमारे पास आ जाएगा
हाँ
Okay, we are just kidding guys, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, so we are done with today's task और आज के टास्क का as I already told you main aim यही था कि आप लोग bond करो और आपके partners बने. I think we have some pairs here. I think Himanshu and Ayan we have, right? And then we have Manas and Lavanya. और कोई जिसने एक दूसरे
And Avika and Lisa. Avika and Lisa.
Okay.
Aryan and one.
Aryan and?
भैया.
Okay. Aryan and Vansh. And then I think कुछ लोग बचे हैं. So let me tell you. आपके पास आज रात तक का टाइम है आराम से। अभी वक्त चूज हुए हुए पार्टनर आप चेंज भी करना चाहते हो, एक दूसरे से बात करो, पार्टनर्स चेंज करने हैं करो, नहीं करने मत करो। जिनके नहीं बने हैं वो बात करके पार्टनर्स बनाओ। वी हैव सम पेयर्स बट कुछ पेयर्स बचे हैं एंड आप सभी का एक एक पार्टनर होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। तो आप कल का जो टास्क होगा, मतलब कि कल का जो सेशन होगा, ओके 7 PM सेम टाइम, उस टाइम पे आप हमें सबके पेयर्स चाहिए। तो आप लोग सारे पेयर्स रेडी करके आओगे, सबके पास नाम होने चाहिए कि आप किसके पेयर हो। ओके, एक दूसरे से बात करो, ग्रुप पे आपकी बात होती है, अप्रोच करो,
पर्सनली बात कर लो तब।
या इफ यू डोंट वांट टू बी अगर आपको ऐसे नो सुन के खुद को वो नहीं करना है तो यू कैन टॉक पर्सनली ऑल्सो। ओके, सो कल तक हमें सबके पार्टनर्स के नाम चाहिए। ओके, देन कल का टास्क जो है वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। ऑल्सो आज का जो टास्क है इसके पॉइंट्स आपके दे हैव नो पॉइंट्स, दिस टास्क डजंट हैव एनी पॉइंट्स। ओके, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर योर इंटरेक्शन एंड बॉन्डिंग। ओके, बट कल का टास्क और भी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। अपने पेयर्स सब लोग बना के आना। ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक। ओके, वेरी नाइस, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर दैट बिकॉज हम सुबह से टेंशन में थे कि पता नहीं कंटेस्टेंट्स को पसंद आएगा या नहीं। आई मीन यू गाइज मीन अ लॉट टू अस बिकॉज ऑडियंस भी है, बट पहले अगर आप लोग ही खुश नहीं होगे तो फिर हम ऑडियंस को कैसे खुश करेंगे। सो या ओके गाइज, ग्रेट। सो आज का सेशन इज ओवर। अभी 10 मिनट्स की विंडो खुलेगी मन की बात रूम की, एज आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी। तो बाकी सब लीव कर सकते हो। जिसको मन की बात रूम में बात करनी है दे कैन एक बार के लिए यहाँ पे वो रह सकते हो। ओके,
कुछ भी डाउट हो पूछ लो।
डाउट या कोई इशू किसी भी तरीके का कुछ भी आप यहाँ पे पूछ सकते हो। बाय बाय गाइस।
Is like it's the only criteria to get that power, because like I'm not saying that it's wrong, I'm just saying that some contestants are there who are not having friends. Like if I see the reels, so it's Priyanshu, he's having the least likes. So even as a competitor I was feeling quite bad for him, like he was just having 24 likes and we were like 500 plus. So like is it the only criteria to like get the power that you were saying?
Yes, Himanshu, actually somebody else also asked this thing in the last meet. तो तब भी मैंने बताया था कि जो likes वाली चीज है वो we haven't kept on the basis of कि कोई likes लेके आओ. That is for the audience, कि audience को आपकी introduction video कितनी पसंद आती है. So we are still assuming कि if audience likes the video, they like it. Okay?
मेरे को कुछ पूछना था।
हाँ बताओ। Can you turn your camera on ताकि थोड़ी conversation better हो जाए?
अरे वो एक्चुअली मैं सारी चेंज करके ऐसे ही बैठ गई हूँ नीचे। अच्छा हाँ, मुझे क्या पूछना था मैं भूल गई।
Also, I want to tell you that this is being recorded and it is a part of.
Oh shit!
Yeah, it is a part of the episode. Man Ki Baat is the part of the episode.
अच्छा वापस से लेते हैं, ठीक है? Recording start.
Recording.
Yes, I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to talk to you.
Okay, Avika.
I needed to talk to you. Okay. Okay. Listen to me. हाँ. Physical task नहीं होंगे ना?
No, Avika. There are only 1 or 2 tasks जिसमें आपको थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. बाकी physical task